Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Subhangi and you're watching Glam, Mermaid. Welcome back to another exciting video, and today's video will be a review and lip swatch video. So in this video I will review the Stay Quirky liquid matte lipstick. I will review both the full size one and the mini one. So if you're interested to see the lip swatches and review about the Stay Quirky liquid matte lipstick, then keep on watching. But before moving forward, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below what you think about this video and which shade was your favorite. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So starting the video, I would like to talk about the packaging first. So this is how the Stay Quirky liquid matte lipstick looks like. So in this side, it's written Stay Quirky matte lipstick and it's so funky. Like the pattern is so funky. It's a normal cardboard packaging, and on this side a small bio about Stay Quirky lipstick is written, which I would like to read a bit because it's so cool and quirky. So it's written, "You go girl, be a total badass. Once upon a time, a profound of uber chic, super skilled and totally badass scientist set out on a journey. Hashtag travel diaries. They had a profound and prolific proficiency in chemistry. Hashtag too much English. They were looking to discover rare elements that would assist them in making the most kick-ass formulation." So there are more written, but it's like hashtag state of the art, hashtag quirky, hashtag stay quirky. So like it's so cool and quirky. I liked it, so that's why I read it. Okay, now back to the original video. So on the back, the shade name is written. So for example, this is the shade Let's Make a Pearl Necklace. So the shade is Let's Make a Pearl Necklace and the number is 27. So that's written on the back side with a color code. And on this side of the product, you get the manufacture date, the expiry date, the net quantity. The net quantity of this product is 4.5 ml, which is quite good for a lipstick. And it's a full size. It's the full sized one. I also have the mini one with me. I will show it in a while. And the MRP is also written, and also the formula, everything is written on this side. So the MRP of this is 449 rupees, but you can always grab it under rupees 300 because Purple पे हमेशा ही अच्छा discount रहता है and they always run good sales all throughout the year. But I would like to suggest you to wait for the sale in which they have buy one get one free. That also comes very frequently, but wait for that particular offer. So if you can get it for buy one get one free, then it will be for half a price. So it's for 449 rupees. So it's like you can almost get it for 225 rupees, which is quite good for a lipstick, full size lipstick. So you can just wait for the offer and get it for buy one get one free. You can just buy 2 lipstick and that way it's much cheaper. Now when you open it, this is how the product looks like, the actual product. So it's written Stay Quirky here and the sign SQ. It's a transparent packaging, and here you can see the product, the color of the product, and in this side it's black. And when you open it, this is the applicator. This kind of doe foot applicator are so good for applying lipstick. It's help you to reach this corner and this corner. It's so good. I like doe foot applicator for lipstick, and this is the applicator. And on the back side of the product, again the shade name is written, the shade name. So that's the lipstick. So that was the packaging of the full size one, and this is the small one's packaging. It has a leopard print, like animal print sort of packaging, which is also very cool, and I love animal print. My phone's back cover is also animal print. I love animal print. So this is the packaging. It's very tiny, and on this side the manufacture date, the expiry date, the about the product, the ingredients, everything is written. Also the MRP. The MRP of this is 199 rupees, and you get a total of 1.6 ml of product. So let's open it. Again, you can get it at a discount price, or you can wait for the offer buy one get one free. So your wish. And I personally love small minis because वैसे भी ना lipstick का full तो use होता नहीं, so it's nice if you have multiple shades. Small में ही सही. Again, in the cap there is some sort of animal print going on, which is so nice, and it's a total matte. The cap is total matte, and the bottle is totally transparent. You can see the color of the product, and it's also written Stay Quirky, and on the back side as well you get the shade name. So that's the small one. This is also quite a good quantity. Like, that's nice. I think if you want to buy more shade, go for the mini one and go for more shades. So now let's talk about the formulation. So it has a super matte formulation. It will turn into matte lipstick. When you apply it, it will take 30 to 40 seconds to dry out completely and it will turn into a matte lipstick. It is quite drying, but if you apply a good layer of lip balm underneath, it's so good. And talking about the transfer proof part, I'm wearing this lipstick only. Not this lipstick, I'm carrying a different shade but the same formula. It's totally transfer proof, waterproof, smudge proof. It is like so good and it's so long lasting. Like, if you eat also, then also it will straight away last you for at least 5 to 6 hours, which is so good for a lipstick. And it will also last you more if you don't eat any oily food in between. The staying power of this lipstick is also so good and on point, and it's transfer proof, matte. I am in love with the formulation of this lipstick, and for the formula also it's a thumbs up. And also this lipstick comes on a variety and bunch of shades you can choose from, and most of the shade will look good on Indian skin tone because the shades are so versatile and it has literally so many shades. And I have quite a few shades from that range. I don't have all the shade obviously, but I have quite a few shades. So I'll show the hand swatches first and then I'll show the lip swatches. So let's move to the hand swatches. So I'm swatching it on this side of my hand so it will be easier to see. Starting off with this shade which I'm wearing. So this is the shade Smarty Pants Bossy Lips 11. The next shade is this one. This is the shade SQLLS 27. It's a very nice peachy nude shade. Now moving to the next shade, we have this. This is called the shade Hot in Every Language. I remember wearing this shade on my first YouTube video. If you haven't watched that, go watch that. This is the shade Hot in Every Language. The next shade is Love Bruises 29. This is a very dark brown color with the glitter on it. Now let's talk about this shade. This is one of the prettiest shade and this is called You're My Girl Crush 9. And the last shade I have is this. This is called the Spooning Guaranteed 1. So those were the hand swatches, and now let's move to the lip swatches. So this is the first shade. This is the shade Smarty Pants Bossy Lips 11 and this is the shade which I'm wearing. It's a very pretty pink shade and this kind of shade will look good on all the skin tone out there. So this is the shade I'm wearing. And such shade looks good with Indian wear, with Western wear, with like every sort of outfit. This sort of shade looks good. And in the review part, I forgot to mention about the application. Like you can get full pigment on one swipe. You don't have to apply it over and over again to get the full pigmentation. You can get full pigmentation in one swipe, which is great. So this is the next shade and this is the shade Let's Make a Pearl Necklace 27. So it has dried out completely and this is such a pretty nude shade. Like this nude will look good on the fair skin tone and also on the dusky skin tone. Like dusky girls can easily carry this shade as a nude lipstick, and which is a very pretty peachy nude shade. So this is the next shade. This is the shade Love Bruises 29. So this is not like everyone's go-to thing, and I personally thought it will be a normal brown shade, but this is not. This is a very dark, like this shade. This is a very dark brown shade, and it also have glitter. Like it's almost like black. So this is the shade, and this is a very dark shade. This shade might as well will look good on all of you, but I don't think everyone would like to carry such shade, and it's very difficult to carry. So if you are someone who want to experiment with more shades, you can get it, but this is not everyone's go-to, and this is how it looks on me. And it also has some tiny chunks of glitter all over. So this is the next shade, and this is called the Hot in Every Language 6. So this is a very pretty red shade which will look good on all the skin tone out there again. And it's a very pretty red shade. So it has dried out completely, and this is how it looks. It's a very stunning red color. Just go for it if you want a red shade. So this is the next shade, and this is called the Spooning Guaranteed. This is again a nude shade with more of a pink undertone to it. We will wait for it to dry out, and then I'll show you. This is how the Spooning Guaranteed look after drying out. And this shade again will look good on all the skin tone out there, and dusky skin girl can use this shade again as a nude shade, which is great. Now comes the last shade, and the most favorite of mine. This is the shade Your Girl Crush 9, and this is such a pretty shade, and this shade will look good, like not good, it will look bomb on every skin tone. It was such a nice shade. You can definitely keep this shade on your list for sure. You won't regret. We will wait for it to dry, and then I'll be back. So this is how Your Girl Crush 9 looks after trying out such a pretty shade. That's about the video. Those were all the lip swatches and review for you. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if this video was helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below what you think about this video and which shade was your favorite, and also subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot. And yeah, we'll meet very soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.